Welcome to Smart Money Moves, the podcast that helps you master your money. I'm your host, and today we're diving into personal finance. Whether you're just starting out or looking to get a grip on your finances, this episode is for you. Most of us were never taught how to handle money. School skipped it, and we realized too late about budgeting, credit scores, or investing. Today, we'll break down the 5 key pillars of personal finance. Budgeting is the first step to financial freedom. It's not about restrictions, it's about awareness and control. Do you know where your money goes every month? If not, start tracking. This awareness empowers you to make informed decisions, paving the way for financial stability and growth. Use the 50-30-20 rule for budgeting. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Tools like Mint, You Need a Budget, or a simple spreadsheet can help. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Next, we'll discuss building an emergency fund to safeguard against life's unpredictabilities. Life is unpredictable, so an emergency fund is crucial. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Start small, maybe raise 10,000, and keep it in a separate savings account. This fund is for real emergencies, not online shopping sprees. Credit card debt, student loans, equated monthly installments. We've all been there. Create a plan to pay it off using the debt snowball or avalanche method. Start with the smallest debt for a quick win or tackle high-interest debt first to save money. Whichever you choose, just start. You can't save your way to wealth, you need to invest. Start simple with mutual funds, index funds, or exchange-traded funds. In India, systematic investment plans are a great way to begin. Don't wait for the perfect time to invest. The best time to invest was yesterday, the second best time is today. Start now and let your money work for you. Don't wait for the perfect time to invest. The best time to invest was yesterday. The second best time is today. Start now and let your money work for you. Set clear financial goals like buying a house, traveling, or retiring early. Write them down and break them into monthly steps. Review your goals often. Set clear financial goals like buying a house, traveling, or retiring early. Write them down and break them into monthly steps. Review your goals often. Personal finance is 80% behavior, 20% knowledge. Stay consistent, stay curious, and give yourself grace when you slip up. Your mindset is key to financial success. Personal finance is 80% behavior, 20% knowledge. Consistency and curiosity are your allies. Embrace mistakes as learning opportunities. Your mindset is the key to unlocking financial success. Stay focused and remember, your financial journey is uniquely yours. Empower yourself with the right mindset and watch your financial dreams become reality. Personal finance doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you. That's a wrap for today's episode. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. Share this episode with someone who needs to hear it. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Until next time, keep making smart money moves. Thank you for tuning in to Smart Money Moves. See you in the next episode.